Join hands, everyone. Join hands, everyone. Close your eyes. Invoke your favorite god. Seek the blessings of your favorite god to heal every cell, every organ of our body, to make you super, super, super healthy, super strong. For some of you, this is a free introductory session so that only few lucky people got this chance, and then you can decide the next steps. Yeah, only if you pay, we are serious. Otherwise, we are not serious, isn't it? Only if you pay, we are serious. Right. That's a little bit about me. I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people on this planet to live a medicine-free, healthy lifestyle using Acute Sound Healing. How many of you want to lead a medicine-free, healthy lifestyle for you and your family? How many of you want yourself first and your family to lead a medicine-free, healthy lifestyle? Tap me in the chat box. Tap me in the chat box. How many of you want to do that? Tap me in the chat box. Good. Ramya wants to have a medicine-free life. Aline wants to lead a medicine-free life. In fact, when I learned, I shared with all my maids, my cooks, my support system, everyone, because I want them also to lead a healthy life so that they come to work regularly. Yeah? Okay. Good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So this is, I use various healing modalities. One is acute touch healing, and then sound healing, and chakra healing, and few more. So every modality you learn, every healing form you learn and you grow, you learn and you grow. And if you come on the video, it would be good, because how will I get my energy from your energy? This is energy transfer, right? Energy transfer. So if you come on the video, that'll be good. Show me all your smiley faces. Show me all your smiley faces. All right, all right. I will help you manage lifestyle elements from the comfort of your home. सेल्फ हीलिंग मास्टरी, ये 5 दिन का एक वर्कशॉप है, एंड उसमें एक झलक मिलेगा आपको कि हाँ, चक्रा हीलिंग से दिस इज व्हाट द चेंजेस यू विल सी, एंड साउंड हैज अमेजिंग हीलिंग पावर. वी ऑल नो दिस. Future of medicine is going to be medicine of frequencies versus popping medicine, morning, afternoon, night, morning, afternoon, night, medicine, medicine, medicine. It's a great preventive and curative solution. It's suitable for all age groups. Now, I'm going to share a bit of details about this. Pay attention, make notes, and then we are ready to do our chakra healing. There's 7 chakras. 7 chakras. On the top of the head is the Sahasrara chakra, or the crown chakra. Third eye is between your eyebrows, Agna chakra. The third one is the throat chakra, or the Vishuddha chakra. Fourth one is the heart chakra, Anahata chakra. Next is the solar plexus chakra, that is above the navel. Sacral chakra is below the navel. And the last one is tip of your tailbone, that is the root chakra. Now follow my instruction. मेरे साथ साथ ये मंत्र चक्रा के जो मंत्र होते हैं, उसको बीज मंत्र, उसको आपको चैंट करना है. सिर्फ सुनना नहीं है, ये मूवी नहीं है, वीडियो नहीं है, उसके मेरे साथ साथ आपको ये करना है. Ready, everyone? Type ready in the chat box. Type ready. Type ready in the chat box. Type ready. Good. Varun is ready. Ramya is ready. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. तो एक सिंपल ये जो साउंड है, मैं पहले एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दूंगी और फिर उसके साथ मेरे साथ साथ कीजिए, और एक बार गाड़ी फ्लाइट टेक ऑफ हुई तो रुकना नहीं है, सीधा डेस्टिनेशन पे ही रुकना है. ओके, एंड continuously we'll do for next at least 40 minutes and follow every bit of my instruction and be with me. All right, and you have to participate, you have to follow the instructions and do along with me. These are the special sounds we are going to do, and with this, what do we have in our system? 70% is water, right? 70% is water. So with this sound frequencies, the voices we are going to make, water molecules will vibrate, they generate energy, and they will start healing us. Amazing, amazing healing होता है बिना कोई एक सिंपल दवाई का भी. तो इसका सिंपल रूल है, एक तो पेट बहुत भरा हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए. आई एम श्योर 3 बज गए हैं तो सब लोगों ने 1-1:30 बजे लंच खत्म कर लिया होगा. दैट्स नंबर 1. नंबर 2, हैव सम वाटर ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज for next 40 minutes we are not going to take any 30 to 40 minutes no breaks. Have some water. सीधे बैठिए सब लोग, सीधे बैठिए, सीधे बैठिए. और मैं जो ये करते हैं उसको पहले ऑब्जर्व कीजिए और मेरे साथ साथ करना है. इट इज गोइंग टू बी इंस्ट्रक्शन हिंदी और इंग्लिश में रहेंगे. सिंपल इंग्लिश, सिंपल हिंदी में होगा. और क्राउन चक्र कहाँ पे होता है? हमारे टॉप ऑफ द हेड में होता है क्राउन चक्र. या तो जब हम खाना बना रहे सब्जी ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो, लेकिन वहां पे अगर दूध उबल रहा है तो हमारी नजर वहां पे भी रहती है. करेक्ट? सो यू हैव टू चांट दिस मंत्रास अलोंग विथ मी, दिस साउंड्स, एंड उसके साथ साथ ओ वाले क्राउन चक्र का मंत्र है तो वहां पे आपका फोकस होना चाहिए. थर्ड आई चक्र, थ्रोट चक्र, हार्ट चक्र. या सो पे अटेंशन एंड फोकस ऑन द इंडिविजुअल chakras. So these are the mantras. Okay. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in. Smile on your face. Smile कीजिए. जितना वाइड स्माइल करेंगे उतना जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगे. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. The first chakra is, yeah, one more thing is, each mantra we are going to repeat for 11 reps. कितनी बार? 11 बार रिपीट करना है. 11 बार. और ये इसका जो रिजल्ट्स आपको मिलेगा 10x 100x रिजल्ट्स मिलेगा आपको. ये अगर ये रोज प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो 100x results without any medicine. Ready? Okay. The first chakra is the crown chakra and the sound is ang. A-N-G, ang. तो हम लोग अंग कैसे बोल सकते हैं? अंग, अंग, और ऐसे बोलना है, और ऐसे बोलना है. Breathe in. अंग. Second chakra is थर्ड आई. उसका साउंड है आम, ओम, और आप आमीन बोल सकते हैं, आपका चॉइस है. तो मैं ओम बोलूंगी. ब्रीद. ये कोई रिलीजन इसका नहीं है, ये साइंटिफिक साउंड्स है जो हमें हीलिंग करती है. ब्रीद इन. ओ. Then the throat chakra is hum. Hum. से लंबा खींच के बोलना है. कितनी बार? 11 बार. Can you all not hear me? How many can you, is it, my voice is clear? Can you all hear me? Now is it better? Can you all hear me? सुनाई दे रहा है सबको? सुनाई दे रहा है? Varun says it's clear. Jaya, can you check your side, from your side? Yeah. First, always check your side. All right. Thank you. Okay. Ready? Ready, everyone? Okay. So these are the sounds, and just repeat after me. 11 बार repeat करेंगे हम लोग. And रुकना नहीं है, बिल्कुल रुकना नहीं है. Ready to take off? Everyone ready to take off? Good. Breathe in. Ang. Breathe in. Ang. 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 Repeat 11 times. Ang. Next chakra is the third eye chakra. Focus on the third eye. Focus, focus, focus. It is mind body healing. जितना focus करके करेंगे उतना अच्छा है आपके लिए. The sound is Om. You can say Amen, your wish. Om. 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 नेक्स्ट चक्रा इज द थ्रोट चक्रा. हमारे थ्रोट में है, हमारे गले में है. पावर हाउस. A thyroid gland is there. We want to activate it and make it function better. And the sound is hum. H-A-M. Hum. सारा का सारा हमारा weight, हमारा all the other things get affected if your thyroid is not functioning properly. The sound is hum. Breathe in. Hum. 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 Next chakra is the heart chakra, which is closer to your heart, and the sound is yum. Yum, yum. Breathe in. Yum. Breathe in. Yum. 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 Next chakra is solar chakra, and the sound is ram. R-A-M, ram. मेरे साथ साथ करना है, ये मूवी नहीं है, सिर्फ देखना नहीं है. Start. Breathe in. Ram. Breathe in. Ram. 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 Next chakra is sacral chakra, and the sound is Vam. V-A-M, Vam. Sacral chakra is below the navel. If you wish, you can hold your right palm below the navel. Breathe in. Vam. Breathe in. Vam. 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 The last chakra is the root chakra and it is at the tailbone, tip of the tailbone. The sound is lam, L-A-M, lam. Breathe in, focus on the root chakra and chant 11 times lam. 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 आंखें बंद रखिए, आंखें बंद रखिए. Keep your eyes closed. स्कैन कीजिए क्राउन चक्र, थर्ड आई, थर्ड चक्र, हार्ट चक्र, solar chakra, sacral chakra, root chakra. Now scan from the back of your body. Root chakra, sacral chakra, solar chakra, heart chakra, third eye, and crown chakra. Keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed. Feel the energy, feel the energy, feel the shift in the energy. Feel the shift in the energy. Feel the shift in the energy. Now, second round. We'll start from crown chakra and chant 11 times. All the mantras you have to chant 11 times. Breathe in. Focus कीजिए. Focus on the crown. जितना focus करेंगे उतना आपको ये feel होगा. Breathe in. Ang. Breathe in. Ang. 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 Next chakra is third eye, and the sound is Om, Hum, or Amen. Breathe in, breathe कीजिए, smile कीजिए और focus कीजिए. Breathe in. Oh. 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 Next chakra is the throat chakra and the sound is hum. थ्रोट चक्रा में हमारा थायराइड ग्लैंड रहता है और अगर थायराइड अच्छा काम कर रहा है दैट मीन्स ओवरऑल आपकी सिस्टम अच्छे काम कर रही है. या द साउंड इज हम. HAM hum. Breathe in, chant 11 times. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. Hum. Hmm. Hum. 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 Next chakra is the heart chakra, and the sound is yum. Yum, yum. These are your medicines, these are your treatments, powerful medicines without any medicine, without any chemicals, naturally. The sound is yum, chant 11 times, focus on the heart chakra. Yum. 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 Next chakra is solar chakra, and the sound is ram. R-A-M, ram. 11 बार चांट करना है रम, और हो सके तो अपने राइट पाम जो है उसको अबाव द नाभि के ऊपर रखिए अपना हाथ. राइट पाम ऑन द अबाव द नेवल. द साउंड इज रम. ब्रीथ इन. रम. ब्रीथ इन. रम. 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 Next chakra is sacral chakra, and the sound is Vam. V-A-M, Vam. Breathe in. Vam. 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 Focus on the sacral chakra. Vam. 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 Next chakra is root chakra, and the sound is Lam. 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 It's the tip at the tip of your tailbone. Breathe in. Focus on the root chakra. Focusing is very, very, very important. Lam. 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 Front of the body, scan through the crown chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar chakra, root chakra. Now from the back of the body, root chakra, sacral chakra, solar chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye, crown chakra. Take a few deep breaths. Feel the shift in the energy. feel कीजिए shift हो रहा energy. Now third round, we are going to chant 11 times. Third round, we are going to chant 11 times. 11 बार chant करेंगे. Crown chakra, which is top of the head, and the sound is ang. इससे हमारे 70% जो पानी हमारे शरीर में वाइब्रेट होता है, वो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करता है. ये कोई मैजिक वैजिक नहीं है, बहुत ही साइंटिफिक है. रिलीजियसली कीजिए, निष्ठा से कीजिए. रेडी? ब्रीथ इन. ang. Breathe in. ang. 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 Next chakra is third eye. The sound is Om, Amen or Aum. मेरे साथ चांट करना है. ये मूवी नहीं है, सिर्फ देखना नहीं है. या ब्रीद इन. ब्रीद इन. ओ. ओ. Oh. 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 Next chakra is which is at the throat. अपना thyroid gland वहां पे रहता है, and the powerhouse, the throat chakra. The sound is hum. Focus on the throat chakra and chant 11 times. Hum. Breathe in. Hum. 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 Next chakra is heart chakra, and the sound is yam. Y-A-M, yam. Focus on the heart chakra and chant 11 times yam. Breathe in. Yum. Breathe in. Yum. 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 The next chakra is solar chakra, and the sound is Ram. R-A-M, Ram. You can place your right hand on the solar chakra, which is above the navel. Chant Ram 11 times along with me. Breathe in. Ram. 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 Next chakra is sacral chakra and the sound is Vam. V-A-M. Vam. Breathe in. Vam. 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 Last chakra is root chakra and the sound is Lam. L-A-M, Lam. Focus on the root chakra, which is at the tailbone, tip of the tailbone. Focus kijiye, and chant 11 times Lam. L-A-M, Lam. Breathe in. Lam. सिर्फ सुनना नहीं है, मेरे साथ साथ चैंट करना है. Lam. 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 आंखें बंद रखिए. Keep your eyes closed. स्कैन करना है फ्रंट ऑफ द बॉडी से crown chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar chakra, sacral chakra, root chakra. Now back of the body, root chakra, sacral chakra, solar chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. Feel the energy, feel the shift in the energy. Everything is energy. Slowly rub your palm. Slowly rub your palm. Place it on your eyes. Roll it on your face. Roll it on your hands. Slowly, bit by bit, open your eyes. Slowly, bit by bit, open your eyes. सब लोग अनम्यूट कीजिए और बताइए कैसा रहा साउंड हीलिंग. हाउ वाज साउंड हीलिंग? एवरीवन अनम्यूट.
Very peaceful and light.
Peaceful and light. How was sound healing? कैसा रहा sound healing?
Good, ma'am. Good.
It was good.
Good. And yes, ma'am, I have some questions. Can I ask, ma'am, or later?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes.
1 minute. Okay. How was sound healing? It was awesome. Right. Seema ji says feeling dizziness. It's because you have some toxins in your system and they're trying to come out. Yeah. Now, anybody wants to continue the journey with me, and you have to pay 999 for the entire 5-day session. And that's the link to register. Heal yourself naturally without any medicine. That's my mission. क्योंकि हम लोग कुछ भी हुआ, हेडेक हुआ, बॉडी पेन हुआ, स्टमक हुआ, ये हुआ, एस्थमा हुआ, तो all we do is आप मेडिसिन. हार्ट में प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें प्रॉब्लम है, मेडिसिन वर्सेस there's so many natural ways. These are all ancient techniques. हमारे ancestors intelligent थे कि उनको पता था कि कैसे खुद की हीलिंग करेंगे, खुद की डॉक्टर कैसे बनेंगे, वर्सेस आज की generation, medicine, generation of medicine we have become. That's number one. And only few lucky people got this chance because there are almost 300 to 400 people in 2-3 groups, and only these many joined. Well, that's how it is. Anything free means uska value nahi hai. Aisa bhi hai world. That's all right. So yeah, Jyoti ji, what is your question? Please go ahead and ask. Yeah, good, Jyoti.
Yes. It was nice experience, ma'am. I was waiting for chakra healing since many days, and this was very nice. I felt
Manifesting
peace.
came true. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Why? And this, can I ask regarding this, ma'am, some questions?
Sure. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, ma'am. And this grounding is necessary, ma'am, when we are doing this one chakra healing.
We'll take
Our leg.
into the next session. For now, this is the process. Yeah. And
Yes.
so see, so many YouTube videos, everything is there. If it was that easy, nobody in the world would have been. Thank you so much, Ramya, for joining. Would have been sick. But one needs a guru ki zarurat hai, a group ki zarurat hai. It is a group energy also which takes us to the next level. Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. And colors, ma'am, because chakras have different colors. No, we have to focus on that, or the.
I will explain in the next class. I focus on mostly on my mission is make it very simple. Don't make it very, very complicated. Don't make it so logical. Don't analyze. Just focus on the solution. Focus on the solution. That's how all my programs are structured. My 30 years of self-study and learning with various books and articles and from gurus and mentors, I've come up with a simple program where you can heal yourself naturally. Learn, and it is for lifetime. Learn, and it is for lifetime. Yeah, click on the link and register if you want to continue the journey. This is for 5 days of chakra healing. Right, anybody? Yeah, Jaya ji. Yeah, Jaya has a question. Veena also. Veena, you can unmute.
Hello, ma'am. I want to ask,
Yeah.
after 5 days of chakra healing sessions, will we be able to heal our diseases permanently?
Yeah.
With this?
1 minute, Veena. How long did it take to get somebody to diabetes? Or somebody had reached out to me. She was 130 kilos, and she says, I also coach on acute touch healing. It's a very, very scientific process. And she goes like, Madam, मुझे 4-5 पॉइंट बता दे और 4 पॉइंट आप बता दो और मुझे पतला होना है. इतना आसान था, तो पूरी वर्ल्ड में कोई भी मोटा नहीं था. तो पहले तो थायराइड हुआ, डायबिटीज हुआ, IBS है, कॉन्स्टिपेशन है, ये ओवरनाइट तो नहीं हुआ है ना?
Right. हाँ
5
जी।
एक आपको आइडिया आएगा। उसके साथ साथ आपको मेरे साथ जर्नी कंटिन्यू करेंगे, तो उसके साथ डाइट क्या खाना है, क्या नहीं खाना है, एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज द कम्युनिटी एंड द ग्रुप एनर्जी विच विल get you to the next level. That is my next level of program. That is silver membership, which is for lifetime.
Okay.
Keystone हुआ, gallstone हुआ. Yes, if you for after 5 days you must practice. Along with that, the coaching of the food, the lifestyle, the diet, and everything happens in my advanced level scopes. Right, Vina?
Okay. So
Yeah.
with the advanced course, we can heal all our diseases, right? Without any medicine and without anything.
Silver membership is 4999 for lifetime membership, and एलोपैथी में और अदरवाइज ऑल्सो स्किन के कुछ हुआ तो डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट के जाके हजारों खर्च करके आते हैं। एलर्जी तो हजारों एलर्जी टेस्ट करके आते हैं एलर्जी डॉक्टर के पास। आंखों का कुछ हुआ तो आंखों के पास, हार्ट का, इसका, उसका, उसका, अलग 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 इतने हजार लाखों खर्च करने के लिए रेडी है, वर्सेस लर्निंग हाउ टू हील योर सेल्फ, बिकम योर ओन डॉक्टर। आई एम सो समटाइम्स सरप्राइज्ड विद द थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ पीपल की सुबह रुपए शाम दवाई दवाई दवाई, एमआरआई स्कैन करा के आएंगे, लेकिन खुद की डॉक्टर कैसे बनना है ये सीखने के लिए इतनी झिझक के लोग। Yeah,
No, I'm not interested in taking medicines. That's why I'm asking.
very good. That's very good. So, yeah, the chakra healing is one part, to put it in short. And then you have to continue after this 5 days, you have to continue the journey. 4999 is silver membership for lifetime. And that's where, because along with this, what else one has to do? What is the lifestyle? What is that we are doing wrong so that we have so many health issues? She has gallstone, kidney stone, constipation, bloating, acidity, skin की प्रॉब्लम, इतनी लंबी लिस्ट है। तो ये ओवरनाइट तो नहीं हुआ है, उसको रिवर्स करने के लिए एटलीस्ट 12 वीक्स, 16 वीक्स, 20 वीक्स टाइम दीजिए।
Okay. And ma'am, can we heal our tooth issues also? जैसे RCT या इन सब चीजों की भी कई बार वो जरूरत पड़ जाती है. So can we heal or can we stop? मतलब ये हो ही ना ये problem, तो इन चीजों को भी we can do that.
It's a great preventive solution. Acute touch healing, sound healing, and chakra healing is a great preventive solution.
Okay, okay.
I work on 360 degrees health. Varun, just check what you paid for. Was it 999 for chakra healing? I was not sure because you had paid for the money manifestation course. Just message me, then we'll put you in the group. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, and Jaya has one. Jaya, are you there? Everybody can unmute. Hari Lakshmi, how was it? And I was observing some people just looking at me. No, देखना नहीं है मुझे, ये मूवी नहीं है, शाहरुख खान की मूवी नहीं है, मेरे साथ आपको भी चैन।
Can I ask a question, please?
Yeah, sure, go ahead, please. Yeah.
Okay, first of all, I want to say it was a lovely session. It was so relaxing that I didn't know in which world did I go. Actually, I was feeling very, very sleepy, which is a good thing. I actually felt that I should lie down and do it. Can we lie down and do it in our heart also?
You can't lie
Sometimes-
because while chanting, you need that energy. It can come
No,
only.
I understand by chanting, but is there any way can we lie down and breathe with it without saying loudly?
No. You have to first sit upright and finish the 3 cycles, 3 rounds, and then you can lie down.
But I was feeling so sleepy that almost I was deep sleep I went.
Which is good, na? Which is good. Yeah, good to see. Lakshmi ji is here. Yeah.
And this one more thing, and this will be in the mornings, this chakra healing sessions, or it will be in the afternoon?
This batch is in the afternoon, Jaya. 3 to 4.
Okay, this batch is in the afternoon, 3 to 4.
My point is learn all possible ways to heal yourself. There's so many things. Instead of taking crocin, paracetamol, brufen, ये दवाई, वो दवाई, thought
Yes.
process क्या होना चाहिए? अच्छा, मेरे पास ये
Yes.
टेक्निक ये यूज करती हूँ. मेरा शोल्डर पेन हो रहा है. I will use this technique. I know this way to heal myself. That should be the thought process versus अब क्या?
Yeah. We agree to you. Yes.
In AccuSound healing, you told no, ma'am, to leave the tablets. I have left many tablets
Good,
to
good.
take.
Very good.
Yes.
Happy to hear. Yeah. Anybody wants to ask any questions, any doubts, just raise your hand and unmute. I'll allow you to unmute and ask. Yes, if you want to continue the journey with me, these are the two options. So 9999 is for chakra healing and 4999 is a lifetime. It's a no-brainer according to me, but it's your choice. Lifetime membership.
If you have paid for the lifetime, you have to pay for the chakra healing.
Yes. Chakra healing is a separate course.
Okay.
All right. Anybody has questions? And first share with me, how did you feel? How was it? ट्रांस में चले गए, सो गए आधे लोग. राजेंद्र जी कैसा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया.
बढ़िया. Good, good, good. Happy to hear. Yeah, DC. Somebody is DC. We don't know. Pamati कैसा रहा?
It was good, feeling relaxed.
Feeling relaxed. Very good. Good.
Ma'am, Silver membership में कितने sessions होते हैं, like weekly or monthly? How does it go?
It's a lifetime membership. I don't see who's asking. Can you please say your name?
Veena.
Veena, this is a lifetime membership. Every Thursday there'll be classes, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. And you also get pre-recorded courses. That is acute touch healing and sound healing modality.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. And there
This
is
999 what we paid is for the next 5 days for this week, correct?
yes, Pamati, yes. Because any reversal, why have me and my team have to invest a lot of our time and effort for every Thursday there'll be classes. Every day in the WhatsApp community, there is some activity which is given. Why? Because we want each one of you to be healthy. है ना? एक YouTube वीडियो देख के अगर कोई ठीक हो जाता तो पूरी दुनिया में सारे अस्पताल बंद कर देने पड़ते, सारे मेडिकल स्टोर बंद कर देना पड़ता. नहीं होता है. कितने लोगों ने योगा क्लासेस गए फिर छोड़ दिया, जुम्बा क्लासेस गए फिर छोड़ दिया, वेट लॉस हुआ फिर बढ़ गया, शुगर कम हुआ फिर बिकॉज यू डू नॉट हैव अ कम्युनिटी, you don't have that positive energy. Here it is community based learning. This is the power of community based learning. नहीं तो योगा क्लास के लिए बेंगलुरु में शायद 1200-1500 पर मंथ, जिम जाना पड़ता है तो 5000 पर मंथ होता है, वर्सेस इन्वेस्ट वंस एंड फॉर लाइफ टाइम. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि इन्वेस्ट किया और कभी क्लास पे नहीं आए तो भी अंडा मिलेगा. अंडा कोई रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे, क्लास में आना पड़ता है क्योंकि सिखाऊंगा करना आपको है. क्लास के हाथ पकड़ के नहीं ला सकते हम. Right, good. Thank you so much everyone for joining. It was awesome to see you all and take good care. Namaskar everyone and all the action takers जिनकी गाड़ी आगे बढ़ने वाली है. I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Same
you very
time,
much.
3 o'clock, correct?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Maybe in future I'll conduct something early morning, which was already happened once. One of the batch early morning, 30 to 7:30. But there was some afternoon batch. That's why.
Yes. Evening is better, ma'am, I feel.
And also after the session, don't talk too much, don't watch TV, don't watch Saas Bahu, Jagde Wale serial, all those. Just stay calm. The more you calm your mind, उतनी आपकी जल्दी healing होती है. नहीं तो चपर, especially ladies ना बहुत बातें करते हैं हम लोग. It's good. It's another way to heal ourselves, but not now. Next half an hour बात नहीं करना है. Just stay in that zone. Stay in that healing mode. Right? All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.